Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And let's look at this nice equation that we are given. We have to find the value of x. It reads a raised to the power 2 minus a raised to the power 3 is equals 36. To find the value of a, we say solution. Now we say, since we are given a raised to the power 2 minus a raised to the power 3, this is equals 36. Now, we say a raised to the power 2 minus a raised to the power 3. When this one is moving, I'm going to have minus 36 equals 0. Okay? Now, the next step that I have to take here, we say, we know that, but 36 can also be expressed as 27 plus 9. Okay? Then, instead of this, 36, we use this one now. Then we say a raised to the power 2 minus a raised to the power 3 minus into 27 plus 9. Then everything becomes 0. Okay. Now we say this becomes a raised to the power 2 minus a raised to the power 3 minus into 27, giving you minus. This is minus 27 minus 9. Then everything becomes 0. Okay, now we have this becomes a raised to the power 2. We know square and this 9 works, so we say a raised to the power 2 minus 9 minus a raised to the power 3 minus 27. Then everything becomes 0. Now let's group them. Grouping this one, grouping this, we are going to have a raised to the power 2 minus 9, we group them, then minus into, we group this one also, a raised to the power 3 plus 27. This is the everything becomes 0. Then from this point, what I used to do, we express this one in its index form, that is a raised to the power 2 minus 3 square minus a raised to the power 3 plus 3 raised to the power 3. Okay, then everything becomes 0. Now from this point, we can say, we can automatically see, we call that a square minus b square can also be expressed as a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, having a raised to the power 3 minus plus b raised to the power 3, this is equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so this is what we are coming to do. We just need to substitute right away. Then we have to use this one to substitute this. Okay, then if we do, this becomes, now we say a raised to the power 2 minus 3 square. This becomes a plus b, a plus 3, okay, into a minus 3. Okay. Now similarly, if you have, we use this also, this next one to substitute from this formula. Then if you have a raised to the power 3 plus b plus 3 raised to the power 3, then this is equals, we have a plus 3 into a square minus 3a, okay, minus 3a plus 3 square. We have substitute now. Now we can say a plus 3 into a minus 3 minus, okay, this minus into, we write this, we say a plus 3 into a square minus 3a, 3 square giving plus 9, then everything becomes 0. Now if we are to factorize, what do we think it is common? What do we think it is common from this point? It is, we factorize a plus 3 outside, we say a plus 3 it is common, Then what remains here is a minus 3 minus this minus. We have taken this as a common factor into a square minus 3a plus 9. Then everything becomes 0. Okay, now it continues. Then we say a plus 3 into a minus 3. Then we simplify this one, minus a square plus 3a minus 9. Then everything becomes 0. Okay, now from this point we have a plus 3 into, this is a, now we have minus a square, a plus 3a giving you plus 4a, minus 3 minus 9 giving you minus 12. Okay, this is equal 0. Now we can say either a plus 3 equals 0. So we can say therefore the value of a here becomes minus 3 respectively. So the value of a becomes minus 3 respectively. That is for the first part. Now we can say similarly, you can use this other one. You can use factorization method, formula method, or complete square method for you to find the other values of a in these nice quadratic equations. Then if we do, okay, now let's look at the other quadratic equation, this one. Now we have minus a square plus 4a minus 12. This is equals 0. Okay, then to solve this, we say we multiply it all by a negative sign. Then this becomes a square minus 4a plus 12. This is equals 0. Then from this point, what are we to do next? What are we to do next here? We say this is, we know a is 1, b giving us as minus 4, and c equals 12. Now we use formula method. We say that is a is equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is what we have to use for us to find. Now we substitute right away. We want to find the value of a also. We say a then becomes, what is b? B is given as minus 4. This becomes 4 plus or minus the square root of, what is b? Giving us minus 4 square minus 4 into, what is a? We know a is given as 1 multiplying by c is given as 12. Okay, then we divide everything by 2 into 1. Okay, then it continues. Then the value of a becomes 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 square giving you 16 minus 4 times 1, 4 times 12 giving you 48. Then we divide everything by 2 because 2 times 1 giving you 2. Now we have a then becomes 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 48 giving you minus 32. This is minus 32. Okay, then we divide everything by 2. Okay, now it continues. We have a is equals 4 plus or minus the square root of, now since this one is complex number, then this automatically becomes 32i divided by 2. Then you can further leave in your answer like this, or we can simplify in it by saying a is equals 4 plus or minus the square root of, we say 16 times 2i, okay, divided by 2. We know the square root of 16, it is 4. Then we say a becomes 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 giving you 4. That is outside, then root 2i divided by 2. Okay, now finally we can find the value of a as, we can say the value of a then becomes, let's take it from this point. We can say then a here becomes 4 plus 4 root 2i divided by 2. Then if you are separating them, then the value of a becomes 4 divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 2 root 2i. Then we know 2 into 4 automatically this becomes 2 plus 2 root 2i. Okay, so this is the other value of a that we have to find in the problem that we are given. Or the next value can also be as, we say similarly, the other one can also be as a is equals 4. We use the negative sign. I will say 4 minus 4 root 2i. Then we divide everything by 2. Then a then becomes, we say we separate 4 divided by 2 minus 4 upon 2 root 2i. Then if that be the case, we say the value of a then becomes, this is 2 minus 2 root 2i. So therefore, these are the values of a that we have to find. Remember, the first value of a that we have is 3. So these are the values of a. We have a becomes minus 3. A becomes 2 plus 2 root 2i. A becomes 2 minus 2 root 2i respectively. So these are the values of a that we have to find in respect to the problem that we are given. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.